Guys, so welcome back to the YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Bitcoin investment website using the script. And this process is going to be simple, easy, and fast. So if you have never created a Bitcoin investment website before, this is a tutorial created just for you. And please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button before we start the video completely. As you can see, I actually am using a new host. If you are my subscriber, you notice that I actually switch hosts when creating some certain kind of website. The reason is due to the fact that some of these web hosts do not allow crypto website, Bitcoin investment website, banking website, and stuff like that. So there are some that are used for phishing sites. There are others that are not. So for this one I'm using, this one allow phishing site and they don't actually kill it. So the link in the description to register on this site. My affiliate link is on the description of this video. You can just click on it and register, and your site will be live for life, like for life. I have banking site I've created for clients and customers on this web host, and it's still alive. So you just click the link in the description and you get started. So with that being said, let's dive into the main video. Now, after you purchase your domain name from this web host, you purchase your domain name and your web host. Just get both of them. It's cheap, about 17 or 20,000 should get that done for you. The next thing you want to do is to log into your cPanel. I already have my cPanel open. I don't want to make this tutorial very long. I just have my cPanel open, my file manager. So it's already open. All you just want to do is to enter your file manager and upload the file which I'm going to give to you. Okay, to make it very easy for you, let me just show you the basic process. So what you want to do is to come here, search for your domain name. So let's assume I'm doing something like defido.com. I'm going to click on search. Now once I click on search, it's going to try to um, provide the check if the domain name is available. Now, if it is available, it's going to notify me that it is available. But if it's not available, it's going to notify me also that the domain name is not available. So I can search for something else. So as you can see, it's still loading. Now, once it's done loading, it will tell me if the domain name is available. So be patient with it. I'm having network trouble right now, but be patient with it. It's going to load up, and once it load up, it's going to tell you that okay, this thing is available. So once your domain name is available, you're just going to add your web hosting from here. Click on explore package now, and then you add your web hosting and you log in directly into your cPanel. Now once you log into your cPanel, you go to your file manager, and from your file manager you want to upload the file which I'm going to send to you right now, or which you're going to get from the link in the description. So once you click on the link in the description, every link I'm going to use in this tutorial I'm going to provide in the description so that you can actually use them yourself. So once you click on upload, it's going to bring you to this part. From this part you're going to click on select file. Now you're going to select the file which I'm going to give to you. Now you're going to click on open. And once you click on open, it's going to load and upload the file on your front end. Now, the reason I'm actually doing this on the front end of your website, uploading the first file on the front end of the website, is due to Google scanning. Some scripts are very, let's say, reactive. When Google scan them, they just give your website the certified site. So when you put your main script or your main website at the back end, sometimes Google does not flag this website. I know there's no like general developer reason to or method to explain this, but that is what I've experienced. So if you don't feel like doing it on a subdomain, doing using a main domain and a subdomain or a folder, it's up to you. But I feel it is okay using a subdomain rather than a folder, because Google will have to scan them both of them separately. I hope you understand, guys. So now once you're done, click on close and reload. Once you click on close and reload, you're going to select everything here, move everything to the back, and then click on move files. Once you click on move file, you're going to jump to one part, then delete the main file which you actually used. So I'm going to delete this folder. I'm going to delete this folder, scroll downward, then delete the main folder I actually brought. So click on delete. Once you confirm, then you're going to open your website on a new tab to see if everything works perfectly. So I'm going to open this in a new tab, and you have your website live. So this is the website. It is actually live. So here you have it. So this is our website, which this is the front end of our website. So everything works perfectly, neatly, and nicely. As you can see, this is it. It's a trading website. As you can see, this is very, very awesome. So this is the website we are actually creating right now. You can see here is the front end. You can do a lot of things using this website. Each page works perfectly. So you click on the About Us page, and everything goes to the About Us, and then you continue your process. And I also like the icon that's actually rotating. It gives it some fancy look. So this is it. This is it. As you can see, you can edit any of these pictures if you want. As you can see, now I'm going to show you how to edit it, but I'm not going to spend much time doing it because it is very, very easy. But for beginner's sake, I'm just going to show you how the basics is, how you can edit this front end. So now, with us having a complete idea of what we are going to be doing, let's go to our file manager. Okay, and on your file manager, create a subdomain. Listen guys, create a subdomain. You can actually create a folder, is up to you, but I believe a subdomain is far more better than creating a folder, because on the subdomain I can actually add a subdomain to Google Search Console, and if I have the certain site, I can actually write to them telling them that this website belongs to a project, a school project, or this project, and then they are gonna remove the certain site. But if I do it on a folder, they will just flag my full website, and when I write to them on my full website, they remove it and they'll flag it again. I actually created the website like having that same issue. So since that time I stopped using a folder. I just prefer to use a subdomain. So now I'm going to choose one of the subdomain I created. So I'm going to choose this one. Now on this one, I'm going to upload this file. This is the file for my back end, which is going to manage my database, my dashboard, and everything that's going to be working on the back end. Now once that is done, go back. Now you extract the file. Now you close, reload, delete. Now you move everything here into the main folder of your website. Now after doing that, you have everything on your website. This is everything, you have it on your website. Let me delete this folder. Then you click on this core.inva app, blah blah blah, such app. Then on this part, you want to click on edit. Now once you click on edit on this folder, you go back, copy your subdomain name. As you can see, I just make this very easy so that everyone can actually follow the process and create their own website. So I'm going to remove this website, paste this, and then give the website our name. Now you're going to create a database to manage this website. So I think I've opened that already in one part. I just want to make this very fast. So I think I have that open in one part. Okay, I don't. So let me go back to my C panel. Now search for database. Now once you click on database, you're going to give it a name. So I'm going to call this YT. Click on next. Call it YT again. Then on password, just give it something basic, something you can actually recall. So click on create user. So as you can see, I'm going to copy my password. Now right here, you're going to give it all privileges. But before you do that, make sure you copy what you have here. Then go back to your .env file, replace this one, replace the other one. Remember, we use the same name for the user and the database. So you replace both of them. Yeah, I use the same password. So you leave that. So you go back, then you click on make changes, and you are done with that. So now we have our database arranged properly. Then scroll downward, look if there's any other changes you need to make on this side. If there is none, you click on save changes. Now changes have been saved. The next part is to go to your phpMyAdmin. You have to upload the MySQL file, which I'm going to give you, or which you're going to get from the link in the description. Now this is a file, so you click on it. Now you click on import. Now as you click on import, you're going to click on choose file. Now this is the SQL file, so you're going to open it and then scroll downward, and then you click on import. So once you click on import, everything is going to import successfully, giving you everything, the complete access of the website. As you can see, everything has been imported successfully. You can go through any of them. You can edit them from this part, but it's not advisable if you are a beginner. But if you already know what you are doing, then there's no big deal. You can just edit them from this part. So now if we go to our website, our subdomain, I think this is it. No, okay. So this is it. Slash public. You have your website. As you can see, you have your back end completely. So I'm going to give you access to this login part to access this part. If you get the script in the description, if you click on the link in the description and get the script, you're going to get access to this part. I'm going to give you admin access, the email and the password, so that it will be very, very easy for you. Now, if you get access to it, you want to go back to your file manager, click on your public. Now your main domain, the part you installed, the front end part which you installed your first site on, you want to go to the index.html page and each of the page. Then you click on edit. Now once it open, go to that your back end. This is your login link. So you copy your login link. Now you go to your not .env file, yes, okay, .index file. Now you look for login, and it's going to give you every login link you have on the site. So you're going to replace it. Or just click on Control H. So let me do that. Just click on, just highlight the site, click on Control H, and then replace it with your own site. So I'm going to remove the HTTPS. all replace. Yes, you have that. Now you go back to your own site, copy your register button, copy link. You want to do the same for your register. So you just go there, change this part to register, then you replace this link with your own. Now that you have that, you click on replace and then you click on all. Now everything is going to replace completely. Now this is what you do for just both, sorry, for all the pages you have here, the about, the contact, the HTML, the services, and every other page. Just this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 page. So once you do that for the 7 page, you are done. So control find, login. Now you highlight your login, click on Control H. So you type in Control H, and then what you do next is paste your own login link, which you copy from your website. Go back, then you paste your own login link. Then now once that is done, click on replace all, and then everything is going to replace. Now you also go to the same place, do the same for register, copy your register link, which is your create account link, copy everything. Now you go back, you replace your register link, and then you click on replace all of them. Now you click on save. Now if we go to our front end and refresh our front end, let's go to the home page. Now once you go to the home page, you notice that if you click on register or login, it's going to take you to that page. Now the get started page, or you click on get started register, it's going to take you to the main page of the website. So this you have to do yourself. As you can see, okay, I did show you guys on how you can edit everything you written on the website. So now if you go, let's assume we are working on this one. So you can just, okay, here it is. You can just come here and change whatever is here, and you click on save, and that is done. So now let's go back to our front end. You have your front end. Now if you come to a button and you notice that the button it's not actually it's not linked to your own backend, you just have to click on it, copy the link, then you go back to your index file so you can look for the link. So let's assume this is our index file. Okay, this is it. Click on it. Now you look for the title of that word. So it was get started. So get, as you can see, this is it. You have this link here. You have it here. So save change. So I think my Chrome has actually pitched my browser and it's not working properly. So let's go back. So now once you click on register or get started, it will not take you directly to your own website. As you can see, this is it. So your user can actually register. Okay, if you click on your login page, it's going to do the same thing. So let's go back and see. Click on login, it will also do the same thing. Now, once you've gotten that, you can be able to edit everything on your website. Now you go to your back end. The password and username I'm going to add to the description of the to the folder which you're going to download to the video. It will contain your password and username. So I'm going to pause this video, enter my admin password and admin username, and then we can continue the tutorial. Admin dashboard. So this is our admin dashboard of the script. Yes, this is our admin dashboard. I just did some rough transaction before, so I can show you guys that everything is working properly. Here you have your deposit, you have your withdrawal, you have your referral, you have your transaction, you have your invested dashboard, invest dashboard. So here you can actually go over your investment or create new investment. So you have your investment plans, active investment plans, your pending plans, completed plans, all plans. You could create any plans. It's all depending on you. So the next part, you have your invest statements, you have your users. Here you can manage your user, you have your managed content on the side, and you have your settings. So this setting, this is a premium script. Yes, a premium script that actually does both banking and it does for both banking, crypto, and paper. So let me show you. If you go to payment option, payment methods, you're going to see that it has three payment methods. It has paper, it has crypto wallet, and in this crypto wallet you can add your BTC, your ETH, your Dogecoin, and whatever you have. Then it has bank transfer. So supposing you want to use bank transfer for your website, you can get your account and include them in this part of the website. So if you want to turn your crypto off, all you just have to do is to come here, click turn off, and then you are done. Now for your site setting, you have it here. You can just set your website information right here. As you can see, everything works properly. Now, every other settings are all on this part. You can actually clear cache on your website and then restart your website again just in case you are having some issues. So this is the most advanced investment script I could find for this tutorial, because I noticed that some of you are actually requesting I create a website like this. So it is the most advanced investment script I could come across in my script folder. So I decided to use it to create this video. So I hope you guys got everything correctly. So you also have your referral. You also can be able to track your transactions. In fact, this is a all-in-one premium script. So guys, everything you need for your tutorial are all in the description. Or the links, they are in the links in the description. So as you can see, these are funds that were deposited, which I did creating a demo account. As you can see your total start from this area. So now let's start from the beginning of the website so you can see how everything works. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you find this tutorial interesting and helpful, just click on the subscribe button. If you want to get the everything you need in this tutorial, link in the description. But don't forget to subscribe so that you can be able to watch all my tutorial. I have a lot of videos on YouTube. So if you go to YouTube, all you just have to do is to go to my channel on YouTube, and then you can click on subscribe from there. Victory Design, just click on Victory Design. That's if you are not watching from YouTube, just go to YouTube and search for Victory Design. This is it. So you click on it, and then you have a lot of videos right here to boost your day. So if you don't want to watch any of them, or if you don't want to actually if you don't want to, you want to watch them by playlist, all you just have to do is come to playlist, and in playlist you'll see different playlists which I have. Web design course, I have how to find website clients, I have the big money as web designer, I have template to do, I have WordPress to do, I have Blogger to create, I have website ideas and tools, Bitcoin, career and forex trading website. So they are all here. I have Whogohost tutorial, so you can actually watch them from this area, or you can just go to videos and then watch them from here. So guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and I will see you on my next video.